Hello everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of yes, it's Friday, November the 5th, 2021, and I've told you earlier we have only two regular Sudokus, the Sudoku Light and the Heavy Sudoku. And today's newspaper we have no extra Sudokus. So I have decided to solve the Tuesday edition, yes, Tuesday, November the 2nd, 2021. We have here four puzzles left. The Sudoku with 1 star, the 2 stars, the tectonic, and a binary. Yes, the Tuesday. Why the Tuesday? Because yesterday is also a newspaper with no additional. So I have solved the rest of the puzzle of Wednesday, and now I will do with the Tuesday edition. Alright, so the first puzzle is a 1 star Sudoku. 1 star Sudoku, this will be number 3640. 3640. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 17, 19, plus 2 is 21, 1, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Printed digits, correct. For 1 star Sudoku, as always 27 printed digits. And before I start, I want to inform you the 1 star. I need to be faster. That's my time limit. Faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. How about the number? Let me see. Which number can I pick? Yeah. In this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in the first column are the 3 and 8. We have a 3 and 8 in this big square, so no 3 and 8 in these two boxes. The 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 3 and 8. We have an 8 here in this big square, so no 8 in this box. The 8 should be there, and the 3 goes here. 2 numbers left in the first column for the number, so 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next on that column. Only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Okay. Okay. We have a 7 in this row, 7 in the third row, so row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then how about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing number in this big square is the number 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes for the 9. That means 1 box left in the third column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 3 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Alright. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 3. Alright. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 5. Alright. Then let me think. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Too late. 8 and 9. Interesting. Yeah. All right. We have a pair. We have the one in this row, one in that row. So the row between, the only 3 places for the one should be here, or there. We see here one, no one there. One could be here, could be there. Same story with the 4. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4 in this column, so no 4 in this box. The 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair, 1 and a 4. All right. So the other pair in this row should be the numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 2 goes in there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 2 should be there. Okay, 6, 8, 6, 9, 8. Okay. Let me continue with the number. Come on. Three, 4, 5, 7, 3, 5. No. 9, 9. 2, 2. We have a pair again. Yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. Same story with the 2. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. So the 2 goes together with the 6 as a pair. Alright. 2, 6. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in the middle column. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 9. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 are missing. Let me mark those. 7 and 8. That means 1 box left in this column. For the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 8 is missing. Let me mark those numbers. Alright. 6 and 8. 6, 2, 8. 2 and 8. Okay. 2. No, 1 and the 9. Missing 1 and the 9. Okay, 7 and 8 are missing. Let me mark those. 7 and 8. There should be also a 7. 7, 8, and a 9. 7, 8, and a 9. 8 and a 9. 7, 8, and 9. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. Ah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8 in this column. We have a 2 and an 8 here. So no 2 and 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So 1 box left in this column, and yeah, should be a 1 here. Okay. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. Okay. So now we have two missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 7 is missing, and then 9 is missing. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have 8 there. So this box is going to be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there. So this box is going to be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 2. 7 and 8 are missing. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 7, 7, 7. Oh, no. 1. The 2, 2, 2. Yes, 2 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow. I'm expecting to be faster, but well, faster than 50 minutes. Well, let me give this a 2 stars instead of a 1 star. Alright, like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. See you then. Bye bye for now.